You heard using the protein treatment alone will produce major results, but if you want to step your natural hair health all the way up, we're about to put you on game. This guide details the exact recipes, routines, and techniques we use to unlock 1 inch plus of hair growth per month. Yes, Sierra and I unlocked 1.5 inches of hair growth per month, and that allowed me to reach hip length so fast it made my head spin. So if you want accelerated hair growth, make sure you head to justforblackgirls.com/shop and grab our Growth Training 101 guide now while it's on sale. This guide is literally making people cry tears of joy because of how healthy and long their hair has been. They're seeing results they haven't seen since they were a child. So if you want to hop on that train, make sure you head to justforblackgirls.com/shop and grab our Growth Training 101 guide.
Okay, y'all, so listen. I was sitting here doing a hair style tutorial, and I'm explaining, I'm like, hey, make sure your hair is detangled, blah, blah, blah. And as I was showing the tutorial, I'm like, yeah, you see my hair is detangled and blah, blah, blah. I'm doing it, and I'm like, wait, my hands are still going. They still going. Ow! So guess who's at hip length? My hair has never been this long, ever. So if you needed a reminder to get on your handle and get the growth training guide, this is it. Go to www.justforblackgirls.com/shop so you can also grow 1 inch plus of hair per month, so that you can also achieve your hair goals, so that you can also get the recipes that will help you achieve your hair goals. Okay? I'm not kidding. I'm not lying. You see it. This ain't no camera trick. This ain't no AI. This is real life. Do you see this?
Whoa, turn that way again.
This is real life. This is me, real life, achieving my hair goals with the stuff that I'm putting on the channel. That we put out there. Don't ever say that we didn't put y'all on, that we're not telling y'all what to do. Because we're telling you what to do. So thank you, God, that you equipped me with the wisdom and the knowledge to share. But yeah, like y'all, I'm not doing this on my own accord. I'm telling y'all what God just told me. So if you want to also get on the track, if 2025 is around the corner, you want to step into 2025, achieving your natural hair goals, getting the hair that you wanted, get the growth training guide. It's on sale. And as always, if you don't have the coins for a growth training guide, at the very least, do the protein treatment that's on the channel every month. And last but not least, if you need additional help, let's say you're experiencing a lot of thinning, a lot of breakage, a lot of, you're going through things that is not typical in your hair growth journey, you can book a consultation with either myself or Sierra, and we will give you a detailed natural hair plan to help you along your natural hair journey, okay? So, those are your 3 options. Whatever you choose, we just want you to start achieving your natural hair goals just like we're achieving ours. We love you, lovelies. Happy holidays, and we'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.